In this video, I will show you how to install and play GTA Vice City on your PC and laptop in 2026. I will also be showing you guys the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and FPS on any PC device. Now, simply start by searching for PPSSPP emulator for PC. Once you search for this, you are going to see the official PPSSPP website. Simply click on it, then click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to ask you if you are downloading for Android, iOS, or for your Windows. So obviously, we want it on our Windows, so we are going to click on PPSSPP installer. Once you click on this, it's going to start downloading to your PC. Once downloaded, simply install PPSSPP to your PC. Click on OK. Click on install. Now it is done installing, so we're going to click on finish. Once you click on finish, it's going to open up for the first time. Now once your PPSSPP emulator open up for the first time, it's also going to create a PSP folder. So if I go to my file manager and I go to document, you see that there is a PPSSPP folder in here. If I click on it, you can see the PSP folder containing everything that I'm actually going to need. Now if it does not create this for you, simply go back to your emulator, click on browse. Once you click on browse, now you can click on any folder like your download folder, document folder, any one of your choice. Then you click select this folder. Once you do that, it's going to create the PSP folder inside that selected folder. So it's very simple to do. Now, next thing we have to do is to actually insert our GTA Vice City game in here so we can actually play that. So that's actually quite simple. So let me open my file manager real quick and then locate my GTA Vice City PSP game file. Now this is my game file, so I'm going to copy it. Once I copy it, I'll go to my PSP folder, I'll go to the game section, and then I'm going to paste it in here. Now once I paste it in here, I will have to extract this game file because right now it's actually a zip file. So I'm going to right click on it, and then you can see the extract all option in here. Now if you are not seeing the extract option, that means you have not installed this application, which is called WinRAR. So if you are not able to extract, go and install WinRAR to your device. Then once you are done, click on extract all and extract the game file inside the PSP game folder. Alright, right now it is done extracting. We no longer need this zip file anymore, so I'm going to be deleting that. Now let's go back to our PPSSPP emulator. We'll click on PPSSPP PSP game Grand Theft Vice City, and you can see the game is in here and is ready to play. Now you're actually going to need a Xbox 360 controller because that's actually the best controller for you to actually utilize to play this game on this emulator. So I'm going to insert my emulator my controller right now. So you can see game controller connected. So you are going to be needing some settings to actually give you the best performance and FPS on your PC and your laptop devices. So we're going to go to the settings, then under graphics, we're going to click on rendering resolution. So once you click on this, you're actually going to see that there are some different options. Now this depends on your device. If you have a PC that is quite okay and powerful, you can go with 4x PSP. Or if you have a PC that is much more super powerful, you can go with 8x PSP, which is 4x. As for me, I'm going to be going with 4x PSP. Then you can also activate your full screen to utilize full screen mode, but I'm not going to be using that in this video. Then as for your frame skipping, click on it, select 2, and then auto frame skip, turn it on. Then once you are done, just go to the bottom real quick. Once you get to the bottom, you are going to see show FPS counter, show speed, click on them, and then you can easily go ahead and play your game. So let's give this game a try and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.